In this video, I will explain how to book Tirupati accommodation through online and how to book Tirupati accommodation for online ticket holders. So please watch complete video without skipping for better understanding. Let me explain about accommodation. On 24th or 25th of every month, 3 months advanced accommodation quota will be released by the TTD. Accommodation release date and time might change in future. So better every month from 19th onwards, check the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's official booking portal site regularly for the latest updates to get the accurate accommodation release date and time. Please note that except Divyanugraha Homa tickets, the rest of all the online tickets like Arjita Sevas, Anga Pradakshina, Senior Citizen, Virtual Seva, all these tickets will be released before this accommodation tickets so that it will help all online Darshan ticket holders to book accommodation according to the Darshan dates. Type TTD in the browser and click on Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's official booking portal link. Then click on the login link as shown in the video. Then please enter the mobile number and click on get OTP. Enter the received OTP in your mobile and click on login button. So exactly at 3 p.m. repeat the process of clicking on online services and choosing the accommodation option for every 30 seconds till you see the watch timer with waiting time 5 minutes normally. Once the watch timer displays, don't refresh the page or do any other activity. Wait till the timer stops. Then you will see the screen with calendars. So the month calendar for which the accommodation quota released will show in green or yellow color based on the availability. Green color means more availability and yellow color means the quota is filling fast with limited available accommodation slots. So choose the date for which you need accommodation. Then it will display the available rooms with amount. So choose the room whichever is convenient for you based on the amount. It will display the room charge details with tax and refundable caution deposit. So if everything is fine, then click on continue button. It will pop up message saying the room is allotted only for 24 hours. So please note that you need to get the room allotted by showing your accommodation receipt within the check-in slot timings. If you go late after the check-in time slot, the room will automatically allotted to the other persons, so be on time. And also you need to vacate the room within the checkout time, otherwise they will put a penalty and deduct the amount from your caution deposit. So click OK after understanding these instructions. Then it will take you to the screen where you need to enter the pilgrim and general details and then click on continue button. It will display the pilgrim and general details along with payment details also. If all the details are proper, then click on continue to the payment button. So it will take you to the payment options where you can see there are different options. One is pay via QR code, UPI, credit, debit or ATM cards and net banking options. So you can choose whichever the options which is convenient for you and click on pay now button. So this will complete your payment process and booking the accommodation. If the accommodation booking is successful, then you can view and download this receipt by navigating to the home page and then clicking on the booking history option. And once you click on the booking history option, you can see there is some select service option is there. There you need to choose the accommodation option. Once you choose the accommodation option, it will display the details of the accommodation booking details with payment as success, link to download the accommodation receipt. Please download the receipt. Now I will explain the process of booking accommodation for online Darshan ticket holders. So exactly at 3 p.m. click on the online services option and then choose the accommodation option. Till you see the watch timer with waiting time of usually 5 minutes, repeat this process for every 30 seconds. Once the watch timer displays, wait till the timer stops. Then it will display the screen with month calendar and option to select the location and check-in time slots. In this, choose whichever the option you want. There you can see 3 to 4 options. One is Tirumala, exclusively for ticket holders, and another is Tirupati, exclusively for ticket holder option, and the third one is Tirupati, which I have already explained you. So now in this case I am choosing the Tirupati exclusively for ticket holder option. So why I am choosing this? Due to this following reasons. One is you will get an option to choose the guest house because it will display the guest house names also. And second thing is the availability of guest houses are more in Tirupati. And the third point is the chances of getting good rooms like AC double bedroom, suite rooms is more. And fourth point, if I want to tell, the guest houses are close to the railway stations and bus stands. So it's good for the people who opt for these services for traveling. Let's see how to book these rooms. So select Tirupati exclusively for ticket holders. It will redirect to the booking history page. There you need to select the option which you have booked the Darshan tickets. I am choosing here special entry Darshan. So once I choose this, it will display the booking details, and also you can see one button accommodation link which is enabled. So click on that book accommodation link. So it will redirect back to the accommodation page, but now this time you will see only the two options under select location. One option is Tirumala and another option is Tirupati. So choose Tirupati. Now what will happen is, so for the calendar month which the accommodation slots are opened, it will display, but in this option you will see only 2 dates will be shown in green color for booking the accommodation. So those dates are nothing but the date which you have booked the Darshan ticket and the previous date. So only whenever you are choosing this option, it will allow only for 2 days for booking the accommodation. In that you need to choose only one date. So once you choose the date, I am choosing here date as 19th, then you can see all the guest house names along with the available slots and the prices are displayed. So you can choose whichever the guest house you want, and then once you select that option, it will display the charge details of the room along with the GST and caution deposit amount also. If the things are okay for you, then click on the continue button. So it will take you to the screen where you need to select the pilgrim details and then the general details, and once this pilgrim and general details are filled, then click on continue button. So then it will take you to the another screen where it will show the details of the pilgrim and the general details along with the payment details. So if all the details are okay, then you click on continue to payment. So it will redirect to the payment options. Then you can choose whichever the payment option you are comfortable with and click on pay now button. So that's it. The rooms will be booked. If any cases of failure, then that will also, you can see the history in the booking history by choosing the accommodation option.